See, in this world, there's two kinds of people, my friend.
Those with cargo vans and those with nothing.
Welcome to my van build. Why does everyone always put their music so loud? Anyway, today we're talking about, not just talking, doing. Today we are talking about and doing, well, I'm doing and talking to you. Today we are both talking about, today we are This is Thinsulate. Previously talked about in the last video. If you haven't seen that, why are you even here? Go back.
To the shadow.
This is either 40 by 60 or 30 by 60. Roll straight off of Amazon. Comes just like this. We are going to unwrap it and we're going to start measuring and then using 3M high strength spray contact adhesive. Basically, the only thing that's necessary here is to measure for certain spaces, cut it out so it's that space, spray this adhesive onto the van, the surface of the van that you're going to apply the insulation to, and then also on the back of whatever the piece is that you cut. And then the other places you can stuff the insulation into little crevices. And then also I'll probably get around to, or eventually I will get around to, taking the header off and stuffing insulation up front in order to maximize the insulation of my home. Let's begin. Alright, let's get the trial piece out of the way. I'm just going to go for one large chunk on this panel to my right and see what mistakes I make in order to do better on the rest of them. I'm going to spray the adhesive on the surface and on the white part of the Thinsulate. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds per the instructions that I've read, and then let's see what happens. I mean, I have no idea what's going to happen, but let's see what happens. Longest 30 to 60 seconds of my life. All right, here we go. That went all right. I think I will spray the adhesive a little bit more liberally. The positioning isn't too bad. It's a little crooked. That's all right. I'm going to be going over the rest of the exposed metal, like the pillars and the columns, with Easy Cool. So all of that will eventually be covered up, and then also there'll be paneling here, of course. So now I'm going to cut for within all of these crevices along the sides, and then see what happens from there.
Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Oh, this is what we do. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all. Let's get down. We get down to the beat. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around, wow. Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same?
We got about maybe a third, maybe a little bit more than a third done last night before it just got too dark to keep going. and plus the camera battery died just as the sun was hiding behind the trees. Let's see what we can get done today and possibly on into tomorrow, depending on how much we get done before the light fails again. Finished most of the lower side cavities.
No.
We'll see what I have to do, and we'll see what I'm capable of doing. That's kind of like the, what was that movie called? Fantastic Mr. Fox? Maybe that's my new thing.
What do you mean? That's my trademark.
Oh, after what seems like forever, I think we're finally almost completely done. Almost is pretty much the key word with this van build. Anyway, the only things left are these columns right here, which have wiring in them, so not sure what I'm gonna do with them yet. I need to figure out the wiring before I start stuffing stuff in there and spraying adhesive. and then the main pillar or column or whatever goes whatever goes between two pillars. I don't know what that is. A beam? Yeah, let's call it a beam. A beam between the two pillars that also has wiring in it straight above me. Not a super time consuming thing when I end up getting to it down the road. Just something I need to look into before I do it. But these are done, as well as the sliding door, which were pretty intense as far as like a jigsaw puzzle to be able to fit everything in there around the wires and the different supports, and reaching my hand in there and getting cut on the sharp metal in there, but not caring because van build.
This is
The van build.
But anyway, I am super entertained and I've really enjoyed this part of the process, and I'm looking forward to the next part, and hopefully everyone else is having a good time too.
Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
And I look forward to the next part of the van build. Until next time.